Welcome. In this tutorial we shall learn how to get started with CorelDRAW and explore various interfaces in CorelDRAW. First, go to the Start menu and click CorelDRAW X5. This will open CorelDRAW X5 application. Press Continue. This is the welcome screen of CorelDRAW. You can select a new blank document to open a blank document with default settings. You can select New Template to open a template dialog box. Click on New Blank Document. Give the title of your document and click OK. This is the toolbox. It contains tools for creating, filling, and modifying objects. This is the menu bar. It contains pull down menu options. This is the toolbar. It contains shortcuts for menu and other commands. This is the properties bar. It contains commands related to active tool or object. This is the Docker. It contains available commands and settings relevant to a specific tool or a task. This is the color palette. It contains color swatches. You can change the language by going to Tools, clicking Options, click Global, and select the language you want. Then click OK. Thank you.